Introducing the exclusive Your Scotsdales app, free for loyalty members, designed to make your in-store shopping experience efficient, enjoyable, and packed with rewards. Discover great features available to use at all stores, like Scan and Go. Simply open the app, select the store, press Scan, show the product's barcode to the camera, and it will instantly record that item. You can add as many items to your cart as you'd like. Just keep pressing the Scan button to record more items. Once you're ready to complete your purchase, head to the tills, where we'll be ready to scan your Pay at Till barcode. Having scanned your items as you shopped, you'll save time at the tills and reduce the contact on the products you're purchasing. Payment is simple. Once your cart barcode is scanned, you can pay through the checkout by cash, card or vouchers, just like any other transaction. Each time you use your app or show your card when shopping at Scotsdales, you'll store your receipts in-app. Each season your loyalty vouchers will upload instantly, and as an extra thank you, we'll upload exclusive vouchers that are only available to app users. The Your Scotsdales Loyalty App is available now for free download on all devices via the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store.